Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be using this palette right here. This is from Spoiled Cosmetics. I do work with them, so I do have a code for you. I absolutely love their eyeshadows. They are very, very nice. So I do have a few thoughts on this palette at the end of the video. Not very much because, I mean, I kind of like it. So there you go. But anyways, if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start off this look with some primer. We've got the Avant Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer that I'm using all over my face. And I am also using Viseart for my eye primer. Okay, so now I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. This is Trescique, I think that's how you say it. And I'm just going to use that under my eyes and just a few key points. Okay, so for foundation, I am using Beauty Blender in shade 1.30W. Alright, so now we are moving into eyebrows. We are using the Brow Bar, and I believe this is by Rena. I apologize, it's got my fingerprints all over it, but this is what we're using. I am going to use the pencil and draw in my eyebrows, and then I'm going to use these two down here to finish filling them in. Okay, eyebrows are done. We are moving into this palette right here. And I'll show you the colors. There you go. Very pretty colors. So the first one we're going to start off with is going to be this color right here. It's kind of a nude color, just kind of a base to lay down. Okay, so now we're going to go into this color right here, and I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to go halfway over the eye with this one on the inner part, and the other half with this one. Okay, so now we're going to go into this shiny blue color and go, let's see if you can get that, there we go. Can't see it. It looks white on camera, but it's really kind of a blue color. But I'm going to go over the whole lid with that and blend it in with the green. I'm just going to stay on the lower part, so you'll see kind of like a blue down here, and then you'll see the green. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we're going to do under the eye, and I'm just going to use this gold color right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the Waterline with, this is Endless Silky Pin by Pixie. This is a green color. I don't see where it is, but it's a green color, so I'm going to go into the Waterline with this. Okay, so now I'm going to do my top liner. I am using Seraphine Botanicals Luna Liner, and this is a black. Okay, so now we are moving into mascara. I am going to use this Ultra Curl mascara from McCoy Beauty, or is it McCo? I don't know, but that's what I'm going to use, and I'm going to use this one first because this one actually curls the lashes. I love curling formulas because I do not like eyelash curls because it has a tendency to damage your natural lashes, and this does not. So I'm going to use that, and then I'm just going to go over the top lashes when I'm done with that with Elate. This is New Black Mascara. That's just what it's called, but I'm going to use this just over the top lashes when I'm done. So now we are moving on to some light contouring. You guys know I don't like heavy contouring because to me it just looks overdone, and it kind of gives me flashbacks to the 90s and the heavy foundation that we used to use then, and it wasn't cute. Now I do like some slight contouring because I like the dimension it gives to the face. So today we are using, it's a bronzing and sculpting. The difference between bronzing and contouring is the color. The bronzing tends to be more of a coppery color, sun color, whereas in the contouring is more brown. So anyways, this is the palette we're using. This is Summer Skin from So Susan, and those are the colors we are working with. Okay, so we are going in to highlight, and I'm going to start off with my beloved Hank and Henry Nightlight. This is a very pretty shimmer color. And then I am going to touch some certain points like my Cupid's bow and the points of my cheek that I want extra shiny. I'm going to go over with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette in this shade right here, Lucky Clover. It has a slight green sheen to it, and that is why I'm using that. Okay, so now I am going to do blush. I am going into the Loved Craft Beauty palette, and I am going to work with these two colors right here. And I'm also going to take and try to blend the highlight and contour with the blush, which is why I have it kind of a little harsh. Alright, so now I'm going to blend this out a little bit more and smooth it out with a setting powder. This is Get Set Face Powder from Private Society. This is just going to kind of give it a light airbrush look, as well as blend out any harsh lines I got going on with some of the other stuff. Okay, so now I am going to use setting spray. I'm going to use Pretty Fresh from ColourPop and All Nighter from Urban Decay. One last thing, we need some lip color. We are going to use Spoiled Lips, which is the same brand's lip color here. This is in Evergreen to make the green eyeshadow pop even more. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I know bright lip color is kind of a little different for me, but I think I kind of like this. Anyways, the palette itself, absolutely love. Of course I do, because like these are all creamy and buttery and they apply beautiful. Again, I do have a code for this brand. So if you are interested in getting this palette and want a discount on it, just use the code that I have on the screen, as well as down below in the description. Otherwise, that is it of this video. Let me know your thoughts, If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.